In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose a new email in Zoho Mail. Whether you're new to Zoho Mail or just need a quick refresher, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll need to open Zoho Mail in your preferred web browser. Once you're in your inbox, you're ready to begin. Look towards the top left corner of your screen and you'll spot the New Mail button. Go ahead and click on it to start drafting your new email. This action will open the Compose window where you can create your message. Now, in the new composition window, you'll see a field labeled From at the top. Clicking on this will allow you to select the email address you want to send the message from, especially if you manage multiple email addresses from your account. Next, move on to the To field, which is where you'll input the recipient's email address. If you have contacts saved, you can type in their name to pull up a list of matches. This can save you time and reduce the chance of typos in email addresses. After selecting the correct contact, click on Insert to add them as a recipient. If you need to send copies of this email to additional recipients without making them primary recipients, you'll use the CC and BCC options. To add someone in CC, click on the CC button. Similar to the To field, you'll be able to search for contacts and insert the appropriate ones by clicking Insert after selecting your contacts. Remember, CC is used for recipients who should be informed but aren't the primary audience of the email. With your recipient selected, let's move on to an essential component of your email, the subject line. In the subject field, type a brief yet descriptive line that clearly conveys the purpose of your email. This helps the recipient quickly understand what your email is about even before opening it. Now it's time to dive into the main content of your email. In the large text box provided, begin typing your message. This is where you can share all the details, context, and information you need to communicate. Zoho Mail offers formatting options for your text, so feel free to adjust the font style and size to suit your preferences, or highlight important information to make it stand out. If your message requires attachments, you'll find the attachment button very handy. Click to attach files from your computer, ensuring your recipient has all the necessary documents or images. Before you send your email, you might want to consider saving it as a draft. This is particularly useful if you need to pause and return to your email later. Simply click Save as Draft to do so. Zoho Mail also gives you the flexibility of scheduling your email to be sent at a later time by clicking on Send Later. This can ensure your email is sent at the optimal time for your recipient. Once you're ready and you've reviewed everything, go ahead and click on Send. Your email will be dispatched to your chosen recipients, and that's it. You've successfully composed and sent an email using Zoho Mail. Keep practicing these steps, and soon you'll be emailing like a pro.